Hey everybody, long time no see. I've been busy, just working on health, getting getting in shape, recovering from hamstring surgery, and then I also had a contract position I was working for a while. So anyway, I am back at the grill, and I am making some chicken tenders today, probably with pasta salad. Before I grill indoors, I always have the fan going first, the hood, and then I open a door or window just to kind of get the whole draft going. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is what we are grilling today. Let's go ahead and put it on. And you don't want to turn these too early, otherwise the chicken will stick to the grill. So if you're trying to turn the chicken and you feel that it's going to stick, don't. Just let it cook a little bit more. Okay, I just turned the grill down to medium, and you can see how well they've been cooking, about 5 minutes. So I'm going to try to turn one. Okay, that one's still sticking a little bit here on the end because that one is not directly under the fire. Let's go ahead and turn it. So this one is turning, well, somewhat easy. A little too soon on that one. But you can see how easily that one turned. This is the pasta I'm making. Okay, time to turn again. And you want a nice char on this because that's going to give it lots of flavor. Plus it will pick up some of the seasoning from the grill. And for this pasta dish, I'm just going to make it kind of lemony. I'll have some herbs from the garden. I'll have lemon juice, lemon zest, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, just keeping it very simple. Alright, you can see these are still very juicy. Let's zoom in. But those look very, very good. And I find that when I do the chicken on the grill like this, it does not dry out at all. You can see the juice on there. It's very nice. Let's go in a little bit more. Alright, it's time to take them off. Now while I let these cool down, then before I pull them apart with a fork. Alright, so I have just a few cubes of sugar in here to kill the bitterness, in case there's bitterness in the garlic. I always like to do that when I'm working with garlic, depending on what I'm making. Alright, so we have the garlic in here. Oops, yeah. I'm a little rusty. Of course, olive oil in there. Actually, let me get this. I'm using this this is red wine vinegar. It says wine vinegar, Pinot Grigio. And then I'll use the juice of 2 lemons and the lemon zest. So this pasta from Trader Joe's, they come out with it every year. It's a lemon pasta. And I cook it in the microwavable pasta maker. I know, sacrilege, but I have to make it easy for me. And that's usually done around 8 minutes, maybe 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So, alright. Enough of that. Get the fresh pepper. Love fresh pepper. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using this wonderful Guérande Fleur de Sel. Fleur Sel de Guérande. It's a flaky sea salt from a specific area in France, I think near Normandy or somewhere between Le Havre and I don't know, somewhere up that way. I'm probably completely wrong. But someone else had it on their YouTube channel, and I thought I would try it, and I really do like it. Alright, so we're just going to stir this around a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to gently break up the chicken here. Pieces. I love working with chicken tender. I just think it's a excellent cut for a variety of recipes. Even if you want to cook, they can be a little pricey though this day and age, but and it's a lot easier to grill and have consistency with the cooking because they're all very much uniform in size. And that's what I love about this particular chicken. And the char just gives it this wonderful flavor. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice in here. Smells wonderful. Yum, yum. And I will actually go see if I have a tomato in the garden. Everything in my garden is covered by pumpkin vines right now. So they took over. Just give that a little stir. We're going to do a taste test, okay? Perfection. Okay, we're going to drop the pasta in here. Now, this is a great recipe if you have a lot of activity you're going to be doing, like sport. I play tennis twice a week, and I do weightlifting, and then I'll start biking up again, actually this month. So the pasta has that slow release energy, and will hopefully stay with you a long time compared to other things you might eat. So this is something I would have before a tennis match, just so I can have a little bit longevity because it's exhausting. Okay, I decided to add some feta crumbles, and then I found a mixture of spinach and arugula at Whole Foods, and I love arugula. And then I added red onion and some baby sweet tomatoes. So let me just toss this. One thing that I've had to do since I've had my Blue Star, when I first got this range, I went absolutely crazy. I was cooking with all the butter in the world. I'm not kidding. So I really have had to work on getting my weight down and cholesterol under check the last, I guess, 2 years. And one thing I've been doing is intermittent fasting. So I don't eat after 4:30 unless it's, unless I had a really big workout and I need to eat something. Otherwise I'll be hungry. And I just try to, if I'm in a pinch, I figure if the worst thing I can have is a protein shake, then that's okay. Alright, so you can see how yummy that looks. I think I might even add some more arugula and spinach. Let's do that. Let's toss this again. God, this looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. I'm going to add more black pepper. And if you don't want to make your own dressing for this, then just buy store-bought. There's something, just read the ingredients. They have some really good dressings now with minimal ingredients, and that's what you want. All right, let me get a spoon and we'll try that. Let's see what we got here. Wow, that's really good. Perfect.